Hey guys, what's going on? It's Henry back with another video. I'm super excited to show you some not so good results. And I mean, I'm kind of happy because this is good content to show you. I bought some options. Give you a little bit of a background. Why I decided to buy options this week is because I did grow my portfolio from 7K to 70K and then 100K to 700K by buying options. And I've started to buy some options again because I want to get a little bit more juicier, bigger returns. My living expenses are a lot more here in Dubai. And I'm kind of looking to just make bigger results. And so far, it is not off to a good start. But again, just because I'm having one bad week so far, and I'm documenting this because I want to show you all the results. Just because I'm having one bad week so far is like saying, I went to the bar one time and I did not pick up a supermodel. Well, picking up a supermodel is not going to happen in one night, right? Or whatever the goal is, right? So yeah, let's go to my total return, look through my portfolio, and just kind of go over some of the options that I bought recently, as well as my other positions. And I'll just kind of give you that life advice for making money, growing your wealth, growing your portfolio. My other portfolio is doing really good. This portfolio, year to date, I am so far making negative 1.84%. But again, I mean, it's not possible to win every single month. So I'm happy to show you the good, the bad, and the ugly. I wouldn't even call this ugly. This is just a little bit subpar results so far in the first 25 days of the year. Can you believe it? We're almost 1 month into the year. If you're watching this in the future, hopefully gets value out of this video. I've only been trading for 10 years, so hopefully I can give you some advice and some non-financial advice, of course, but some just insights. Something I love too much is American Airlines. American Airlines, I love way too much. I'll show you why. I'm going to open up Yahoo Finance. I'm going to make this video a little bit longer so you guys can spend some more time with me because I've been rushing through my videos recently, but life is good again. Life is good. So I want to share with you guys my positive energy to pump you up so you can make more money because life is energy. All right, so let's go to American Airlines. 1396. And you know what? I'm not even going to have any editing on this video. I'm just going to upload this video. No editing because, yeah, why do we need editing? We're just going to be raw and transparent about everything. So, look, so American Airlines, if I go to 5 years, I wasn't trading it 5 years ago, but at this point it was 2020. American Airlines has done nothing. So it's been the best option ever, best stock ever to trade options on. Cover calls, selling puts, etc. You know, I'm sorry if you, how do I say this? You guys are always looking for the next best thing, that shiny object. But honestly, American Airlines is that not so shiny object that makes lots of money. Like, do you really need it to be shiny to make money? No, you don't. American Airlines, I have it expiring this Friday and I do it literally every single week, every single month. By the way, there's something I don't like talk about this on the channel is that you can do weekly trading and monthly trading on the same stock. So I always get this question like, which is better? Well, neither is actually better. It's more of a preference. So what I personally do is I do American Airlines 7 days out, 14 days out, 28 days out, 35 days out. You can do multiple different expiration days. And actually it's a good thing because you are diversifying across multiple expiration dates. I mean, if there's a bad week, then all of your options will do bad, but not all of them will expire on that Friday. So it is a good thing to basically not have everything expire all at once. So anyways, American Airlines, like it a lot. Apple, I have the put credit spread 192.5. Net, I did a straddle. So this is a YOLO play. So honestly, I was thinking about starting an option buying Discord because it can be very successful. But first of all, I'm not going to promote anything or start anything until I really prove to myself that I can do it again, because I did this back in 2020 and 2021. Now it's 2024, so it's been some time. It's not like I don't have the skill set, but the market can be a little bit different. Maybe it's not an option buying market. So of course I want to experiment with my own money before I start to promote something and start a group and say, hey, let's start buying options. I want to first prove to myself that I can take this account to like 2 mil because it's kind of standing still. Granted, I am withdrawing money if I go to the past 1 year results. Yeah, they're not great. They're not bad. My return was much higher, but as of the start of this year, and because my last January was so good, I went from like 28% to like 16%. So like it's kind of going down. in terms of results. And yeah, I guess I just want to prove to myself that I can make like 200 grand here in the next 2 to 3 months, because that would be 10% of my portfolio. So 3 to 4% a month is good. It's especially good on a big sum of money. So yeah, that's kind of my goal. So I started buying options and I did net straddle because, well, let me show you why. All right, so let me go to net, which is Cloudflare. It is a pretty volatile company. And here is the logic of why I did it. If I go to chart, and let's go to 3 months. So as you can see here, it was having some pretty decent sized momentum going up. So I thought either we're gonna go up a lot more or we're gonna go down. The RSI is right in the middle. So I'm looking for like a breakout basically. I'm looking for a breakout to the top or bottom. It has pulled back a little bit. However, this is where volatility is really important. Because the volatility is so high, in such a short amount of time, and that's why buying options is very, very difficult. I ended up, so let's take a look. I ended up doing this trade on the 22nd, so it's been some time. I spent $1,910, and I bought both puts and calls, same 85 strike. That's a long straddle position, long, like I bought two. So the payoff looks like this. The stock can go down, I can make money, or the stock can go up, I can make money. At 85, but I did spend quite a bit on it. I spent 382, so I needed to move a lot, and I will be closing out this position early today, unfortunately, most likely for a loss, unless the market opens, and it's like middle of the morning for you guys in the US, because I'm in Dubai, and I'm like 9 hours ahead, so it's my morning. So I'm looking for this stock to pull back. That would be really nice, and if it pulls back, then I will cut this position for a gain. Right now, I'm not really losing much money. I'm at a negative 215. So yeah, I really hope I can strike the iron while it's hot today. Maybe come out with a profit on this trade. We shall see. This is the performance of the straddle itself. So it did go up a lot. So as you guys can see, well, actually that's 1 day. Sorry. So let's go to 1 week. Yeah, so it did kind of come up a good amount, but here's what theta looks like. Theta looks like this. It goes down and down and down, and I'm looking for a big move, and so far a big move hasn't happened. So yeah, down a little bit on that. Nvidia, I am bearish. My bearishness never works on Nvidia. This is a crazy bullish stock, and so far I am wrong, and I'm admitting I am wrong. It's not working out so far. So Nvidia is a fairly big loss. But look, I'm excited to talk about some losses. I've had tons of gains in my life. I've been successful far more than I've been unsuccessful, and I'm happy to share my losses. So it is what it is. My portfolio is still doing fine. I'm not even close to losing that much money. It's 1.84%. To me, that's actually really bad. Like, this is some of my worst performance, is seeing like even a small like loss is bad performance, because I'm an income trader that's looking for like this type of growth. I don't have huge growth. It's more like step by step by step by step, right? I love the way of living step by step. I never like plan my future too far ahead and what's going to happen. I'm just step by step. How much income can I make this month, and spend that income? Well, I'm reinvesting it because I make money from coaching, so I don't need to spend too much of my portfolio income, but I do withdraw some money from my income just to pay my team, to give to charity, to other things like that. Spend it basically on things that make me happier, better, that I deem necessary, whatever. So I have Shopify puts. I just think Shopify is fairly expensive. Like if I go to shop, S-H-O-P, Shopify. So I'm looking for a pullback. It looks promising that we could get a pullback. I looked at the RSI. It was pretty high. So if I go to the chart right here, yeah, I'm just looking for a pullback if I go to 5 days. Yeah, just looking for it to retrace down below 80. And that could actually happen because it's 80.28. So the put that I have is the 81 put. But again, with buying options, you need the stock to move quite a lot in a short amount of time. So even though I am right so far, I'm not really making that much money on Shop or Net. And on Nvidia, I'm just not right. I'm just going to stop trading Nvidia. I'm just not right at all. I have another Nvidia poor man's put. Not going well, but it's okay. I have time. On this one, I have time. And when Nvidia pulls back, it will pull back hard. I promise you. It will pull back by $20, $30, $40 eventually. Let's see. So I have Netflix. let me change this to back to total return. So I have Netflix, which is also down. I believe they have earnings, so we will see on that. Tesla debit spreads. I'm bullish on Tesla. Actually bullish. I've been cautious on Tesla for a long time. And look, a lot of people had a lot of their money in Tesla and they're losing money. I've been waiting, so I've been avoiding those losses. So that's my win. Not losing is a win. So if you're smart, you'll understand that not losing can be winning. So I have been not losing on Tesla, and I finally started to buy it up. So I do have a couple hundred shares in my other portfolio. And actually in this portfolio, I also believe that I have roughly 700 shares. Yeah, 700 shares, 9.99% of my portfolio. So it's actually a good size, 10% of my portfolio. I'm down so far on Tesla. It's at 195. So yeah, it's not been too fun being a Tesla investor. I do think it'll come back up. We'll see though, we'll see. I think the price that I'm getting for it right now is a good price. Robinhood is so annoying recently because every time I do total return, it just changes back. So that can be frustrating. All right, so I probably had to cut this video because my throat needs some water and I'm coughing. So I do quite a bit of coaching in my Discord community. I'm doing private videos for those members, and yeah, my throat just kind of gives out sometimes. So next one will be Netflix. Nvidia we already kind of talked about. Apple is one of my favorite positions, so I'm making quite a lot on Apple, 14K and 10K. But anyways, for my buying strategies, yeah, I already showed you all of them. I also have a buying strategy on Starbucks. Starbucks is one of my favorite strategies. Making sure my mic is still gonna be working, and just relaxing, relaxing, making money, living life, and teaching. That's what I love to do. I love to teach, love to coach. And so yeah, Starbucks, it's poor man's covered call. I have the 315, the 920. Guys, look, I think the poor man's covered call is a great strategy overall because you're getting a lot of good leverage on your portfolio without having to put up that much capital. And personally, I think that if you pick a good stock, Starbucks, Walmart's one of my favorite stocks. This is literally one of my top plays at the moment is Walmart. 160 right now. I have it at 155.91, and I think doing a covered call is just amazing. I actually rolled my covered call from 160 to 165. So yeah, if you want to watch a video on rolling, I will leave it for you right now because my throat is killing me. So I'm gonna cut the video. We will drop it off here, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. And if you want to like and subscribe, go ahead, do it.